It's a beautiful day in Tijarah, and I'm celebrating because I lost another pound. I weigh in the mornings, and I'm going to celebrate with my apple cider vinegar cocktail. Yay! Oh, so this is really more of a reset than a weight loss because it's just been inspiring to have just new habits to change, to turn over a new leaf, to just rethink, excited about the future and all of its possibilities for clarity. Woosah. For breakfast, kiwi, my husband's famous signature egg white spinach omelet, and banana and avocado. Keeping it simple today, and after this, I'm going to work out in the yard. So today was one of those days. Life was life, and I got my hair done and added some highlights to it, and it's not finished yet. It's drying in these little finger coils, and I have one stubborn curl that I'm trying to work on. It was just one of those days, the entire day at the hair salon. So I skipped lunch, and now it's dinner time. I did walk my dog. Whew, what a day. Life was lifing. So for dinner, I know it's not exciting. I'm so tired. I have zucchini, mushrooms, black beans, and some burnt chicken. It's been one of those days, and I'm so tired. I'm on the sofa getting ready to turn on the television and tune out. Okay, so I'm still sitting here on the sofa, still tired, and I've had a setback. Or is it a set forward of work-life balance? I'm having a glass of wine, and I'm eating some popcorn, and it has olive oil on it, and just a little bit of sea salt and smoked paprika for a little flavor. I used an air popper, and I am planning to watch a movie with my hubby. Work-life balance. It's time for film noir in the brown house, and that is the plan. I don't call that a setback. I call that a reset for work-life balance and the importance of it. And that's what I will continue to do during the school year. I just need to stay balanced, stay focused, stay true to myself. And I spent time working on my own appearance today. And even though this isn't the final product of my hair, wait until it gets all big and grand because it's in these little twists right now. But when I take them out, my hair will be gorgeous and big, and I'll put on a little makeup and style myself, and voila, it's a reset, people.